So this is an international language testing system powered by IDP to access the level of candidate. My name is Jasprit Kaur and I am here to conduct a speaking of candidate number 733 named Rohit Khurana. Shall we start? What's your name?
My name is Rohit Khurana.
How may I call you?
You may call me Rohit.
Okay. Are you studying?
Yes, of course I study. Recently I studied +2 exam passed, scored 78%.
What's your major?
My aim is to become a successful person.
Which subjects you studied?
I study IP, that's full form of information practices, and it's based on computer.
Why you choose these subjects?
Because this subject is very interesting for me and to improve more knowledge about this subject.
What are the advantages of studying of this?
There are more benefits of this subject, such as computer knowledge and new technology.
Okay. Do you like cakes?
Yes, of course I like a cake, because on many birthday with my friends I usually do cake, because this cake celebrate and to improve this thing.
Have you ever baked a cake?
Yes, of course. Recently on my birthday, I take a cake with my friend.
Do you like having desserts?
Yes, of course. I like a dessert, such as there are many desserts such as Rajasthan, because it is a very popular country. It is a very popular state in India, and in this country to produce lots of water.
Okay, let's jump on a cue card.
Okay, ma'am.
Here your cue card is, and you can use paper or pencil to make your notes. You have only 1 minute to prepare your cue card.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you may start now.
Today I am going to talk about tell it to my friend. Its name is Paras. Its name is Paras, which is a very talented and helpful person for me, because he always thick and thin. He always stand by me in every thick and thin situation, and also I go market with Paras, because I suggest to wear the clothes and whatever and also usually go with this. I also usually go school with my friend, because me and my friend are strong bonding, because in some situation they both handle and to stay difficult. And I felt very happy because These types of friend is very helpful for the future generation. And
Okay. In which situation is it okay to lie to your friend?
yes, of course, there are many situations handled with my friends, such as recently I go Jalandhar, and there were no vehicle, but in that situation my friend support me to provide a bicycle to easily go this.
What should parents do if their children tell a lie?
Parents tell a lie because children is do not understand, and do not knowledge more in this time, because children's develop children's knowledge new technology.
Do you think people need to tell the truth all time?
Yes, of course, people to tell the truth all time, because in difficult situations there are no handles, then people say truth, because in front person to proud feel.
Why do some people feel comfortable telling the truth to strangers but not to friends?
Yes, of course, that's an interesting question for me, because friends are comfortable with the truth voice, because truth is a very beautiful language and very polite language, because truth is proud feel and comfortable.
Do politicians have to lie?
Politicians are lie because some people do not trust for politician, because politician is a bad effect for human beings.
Is lying common in your country?
Please repeat the question.
Is lying common in your country?